Hello, Fiero fans. Well, the time has come finally after completing our frame restoration project here. Finally get to put this old girl back together. Now, it's pretty much just going to be the same as the episode of frame restoration part 3. I'm just going to put this on time lapse and wrench away. Not really a whole lot to say at this point, other than the main goal is just to get the body panels back in. Oh, and test my work. Test my work here in the driveway before I actually take it out on the road to make sure that's not just going to come apart. I think I've got all of this to put back on too. My. Well, like I said in a previous video, if I'm talking, I ain't doing, so let's go ahead and get started. These are what I've been waiting for. Because these ones, being the originals, broke. Oh yeah, these will be nice to have. Now, look at this. I can slide back and forth a little bit so that we can actually get the molding positioned where you need it. Probably should have put the fender liners back on first, but oh well. I don't know if I really want to bother with the soft part of the fender liner. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna leave it off. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then there's a few other things that I want to do on this. Next item on the list is gonna be this toe link. If you've been here long enough, you'll probably remember that I replaced both of them quite a while back, but when I measured them to the original links instead of, you know, trying to correct the alignment. But today, that's what we're gonna do. So I'll measure the link on the left side, then try to match this link to that. So that way I don't have to drive with my steering wheel cranked to the right 20 degrees. Okay. I should have left this wheel off. Oh well. So I could see where to I'm measuring. I don't want to. I think that's the only way it's gonna happen. There we go. Okay. From here to according to the forums that I'm a part of, the optimum lever travel should fully engage the parking brake at halfway, and it's not. Check. Not enough. I can feel it building a lot more tension now. Well, there's only one way to know. Live fire test. He's a little better. Oh yeah, pedal travel is a lot better. Oh, dumbass! Helps if I actually put it in. Pedal travel is a lot better for the brakes. Fiero, our journey continues. I'm just glad to have this back out on the road after fixing the frame. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video here, and I think the next items on our list are going to be hoses, exhaust, but after that, paint. That's going to be the big thing. Paint. And I hope you'll join me for that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.